Just make sure the tubes aren't touching the throttle body. With that being said, the install is pretty much done. What's up YouTube, it's Hellcat J, and I'm here with another install of a basic mod. So today we're going to be installing the J&L catch can to separate the oil, make sure there's no contaminants entering the engine. Very essential for any high revving performance car. Very simple, quick install. All you're going to need is a Phillips head screwdriver and two 15mm wrenches. To start out, you just have to remove this line right here. There's a tab here and another tab there. So we're gonna do that, and I'll walk you through each step of the process. So after you get that line off, which we did, we're gonna take one of the supplied 15mm flange nuts, and we're gonna install it onto this stud right here. And you're gonna install it with the outer rim, this wider rim facing towards the engine. Just like so. Careful not to lose it in the middle of your engine bay. That would be pretty bad. But as you can see, it just slides on like so, and voila. The next step will be you take, let me get this down here. You'll take the actual catch can and you'll take the bracket that comes with it, and you'll line up the logo like so to the two provided holes and the two provided Phillips head screws. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Okay guys, that's what the finished product of that should look like. And your bracket should be facing the back toward like that. All right guys, so the next step, so you have it like this. O for oil. It has a 45-degree angle right here. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna line up this 45-degree and you're gonna put it towards this side. You'll hear it click. Then what you do is you tuck this other line back behind and line up the bracket like so, and then you click that one on. You should hear that one click too. Voila. So we're secured, and it should look something like this. Like so. Now you want to make sure that you're not touching this throttle body with the line, and then all you do at this point is you put the second 15mm nut, go underneath the belt here and screw it in. So that's what we're gonna do now. Give you guys a bird's eye view right there. Be careful, don't lose your 15mm. Make sure you're not touching the throttle body with the hose. And then take your 15mm and tighten down. Dude, so we finally got the J&L oil separator installed. Just make sure the tubes aren't touching the throttle body. With that being said, the install is pretty much done. And then you can just clip up your cover here. And voila, that's it. And there she is. Now you now have your oil separator catch can. So the whole point of this is to remove contaminants from the engine. When you're done, you just unscrew this and then just dump the oil. And you'll see, I mean, I'll show you guys a follow-up video. I'll also be doing an oil change today and showing you guys how to do that, but I'll show you a follow-up video down the line when I actually get some byproduct in here and show you basically what it's keeping out of the engine. So I think it's really essential for any sort of performance car. I'm also going to be putting it on my G35 as well. So yeah, another easy mod for the books. It'll definitely increase the longevity of your supercharged Hemi. And stay tuned for more, guys. Please like and subscribe. You already know. If you guys have any questions, I'm an open book. You follow me on IG, it's _Hellcat J, J-A-Y _. And yeah, guys,